In this tutorial, we will learn how to implement multiple themes in Flutter with just a few lines of code. First, clone the code along template for this tutorial from our GitHub repository. The link will be in the video description. After you have cloned the project, run flutter pub get and start the application in any mobile environment. You should be able to see the profile screen once the application has started. This screen shows a user profile. We can see the name of the user, their notes, and some buttons. As you can see, there is already a theme in place, which is generated by the color scheme.from seed constructor by passing it a deep purple color. You can pass it any color and it will automatically generate a new theme based on that color. This code can be found in the main.dart file. Try and pass it a red color, and let's also make it dark mode by passing in brightness as brightness.dark in the from seed constructor. After a hot reload, you should be able to see the wonders of this constructor. It rebuilt the widgets and the text according to the color passed. Notice how everything is visible. This is because if you don't specify any colors of your own to a widget, the Flutter widgets will try to apply the theme that you have provided in the material app. We can force the widgets to look up the theme that we have provided using the Theme.of method. In the code provided, we can see this method being used in several places. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's try to create some themes. We will create two dark and two light themes, each with different colors. In the presentation folder, go to core and then to the theme folder. Create a file called themes.dart inside the folder. Inside the file, create a themes class which will be responsible for holding multiple themes. Let's add a dark theme to it. Here, we added the scaffold background color, gave the color scheme property a new color, and changed the brightness to brightness.dark, which is preferable for dark themes. We also introduced a new font family to give the profile screen an aesthetic look. Now, add the themes.dark theme reference to the main.dart file. Hit the hot restart button and you should be able to see the dark theme. Similarly, we can experiment with the brightness and the colors to create different eye-pleasing combinations. Let's create 3 more themes. We simply added 3 more themes to the themes class, which are similar to the first theme we created. The only difference here is that we removed the scaffold background color property, changed the brightness depending on whether we would like the theme to be dark or light, and passed another color to the color scheme.from seed constructor. You can now access these themes in main.dart by referencing the themes class. Ta-da! You just learned the basics of theming. With Flutter's push to make theming easier, we hope to see some more cool updates in the new Flutter releases. If you liked the tutorial, please subscribe and don't forget to follow us on our socials.